Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the engine oil and filter on a Honda Pilot. This is a 2011 model equipped with the 3.5 liter V6, but this process applies to many other Honda models with the same engine. From what I've been able to find, Honda recommends an oil change every 12,000 kilometers or 7,500 miles. You also have an oil life indicator on your gauge cluster. If that mileage is in fact correct, I personally wouldn't exceed 10,000 kilometers or about 6,000 miles for synthetic. The engine requires 5W20 weight. Make sure the engine is warm and then drive the vehicle onto ramps. Have a drain pan handy. Using a 17mm socket with a ratchet, loosen the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and let the oil drain into a pan. Wait until it's done. Loosening the oil filler cap sometimes helps with draining. Replace the crush washer on the drain plug. Make sure the drain plug and sealing surface on the oil pan is clean. Finally, reinstall the drain plug. The torque specifications for the drain plug is 29 foot-pounds or 39 Newton meters. Now is removing the oil filter. Place the drain pan under here and then loosen the filter. Allow the oil to drain from the filter. Remove the filter and then dump out the remaining oil. With this style of oil filter position, some oil can be added to the filter so the engine doesn't starve when it first starts up. Then using some new oil, use your finger to apply a layer to the gasket, which will help with sealing. Clean the gasket sealing surface where the new filter will be installed. Install the new filter. Let the gasket make contact and then tighten 3/4 of a turn more. Here I'm using my OEM Tools oil funnel set, model number 87039 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this will be included in the video description. This has a variety of attachments to work on different vehicles to ensure you're not spilling a drop of oil. Due to the irregular spot of the oil fill location, using the adapter for Honda on the funnel, I can then use the extension. Next, the engine is filled with oil. The capacity of the engine with the filter is 4.3 liters or 4.5 US quarts. Check the oil level before you're done. The oil level should be between the minimum and maximum lines on the dipstick. Once done, start the engine and check for any leaks. Once none are found, drive the vehicle off the ramps and you're officially done. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.